Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Katya from Super Monsters, and the episode is Putting on a Show. So grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to draw the two bottom lines for the eyes on each side. And I'll do the same on the other side. Just a very light curve. And then let's make it round on top. And let's do this for the other side as well. I'm just going to try to copy it as best as I can. And then from there, pupil, iris as usual. Light reflections. Then right above, I'm going to draw the eyelashes. Let's color the eyelashes and the pupils in. Right between the eyes, just below, we're going to draw a little button nose. And right below that, a little smile. Now we can draw the jawline, and we're going to come from the eyelashes all the way around and connect it to the other eyelash. There we go, and there's the chin. Next up, we're going to start with the hair. Now right on top, there's a little curly hair coming down, something like this. And then from here, we're just going to draw a nice wavy hair to there. And then from this side, I'm just going to draw another hair going down past the eyebrow to the side of the head and maybe going up like this. Now we can draw the ears. On this side, I'm going to draw a little ear, and I'll just draw the inner ear there as well. And on this side, we already have hair coming out, so the ear is behind the hair. Now let's go on to the body. Now I'm just going to draw two shoulders coming out like this, and then I'm going to draw the torso, and I'm just going to connect it. Curve. You're going to draw a little belt, and you're going to draw just a little part of a dress here in front, like this, like an apron coming down, and then you can draw the dress just a bit wider like this, and there we have the dress behind the apron. So now we can draw the arms. On this side, I'm just going to draw a finger, and from this side I'm going to draw it down as well, and I'm going to do a finger, and then you'll draw a thumb on top of that, and then behind that you can maybe draw a few fingers if you can. Now we're going to go back to the hair, and on the side there's a little bow. So I'll draw a bow first, and I'll draw it up, and on this side I'm going to copy it, draw it up, and then we're just going to draw a little bow and bring it back. This side, try to do the same. And within this bow is a few stars, so I'll just draw a little star here, and on this side maybe a smaller star as well, and on this side we can draw a star as well. There we go. Now from the bow we're going to draw the hair. I'm going to start here at the bottom of the bow, make it nice and round and curvy, and I'll just do a little hair standing like this, and then on top of that I'm going to draw the band of the bow, and on top of that maybe hair connected to the bow as well. There we go. And on this side, well, let's complete this side first. So I think I'm going to draw a little piece of hair sticking out, maybe like a little hook like this. On this side I'll do the same thing, and connect it to the body, and maybe here behind there's some hair as well. Now we'll do it on this side as well. So I'm going to start here, just bring a little line down, just for interest, and then from here, a line, and maybe I'll draw a little hook. You can draw the hair the way you want. I'm sure it's going to turn out beautifully. And then I'll just maybe, and there's the hair. Now we're going to go down to the legs. So I'm going to draw two small little legs sticking out, just small ones. And then from here I'm going to draw the shoes. A little shoe with the sole, and I'll make it nice and round on top. On this side I'm going to do the same thing. Great, and there's Katya. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Katya will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.